it is a possibility to add webhooks automatically from our module to PrestaShop. But in PrestaShop there is no standard functionality for webhooks. So for this you will need to have a third-party module that is a paid one. So if you go to Webhooks tab, we click Create Webhooks, and we see warning message saying to you what to do. There is a link to modules that need to be purchased. This module also saying that it is compatible with our module because we communicated with developer and they did a lot of fixes for us, so it will work. So what you need to do is to purchase and install module. What we have done, module manager, you see this module was installed. And after this, in advanced parameters, web service, you can go to web service key, scroll down, and add to webhooks, new webhooks resource permissions. Let's click Save. Now let's go to PrestaShop. Let's click Create Webhooks. You see that webhooks were successfully created. If you go to Module Manager, Webhooks Configure, we will see that URLs were added. So now let's test. Let's go to sales order. You see that currently status is shipped, yeah? And let's imagine that on PrestaShop side, we are going to change the status to delivered. Okay, so the status was changed to delivered. You see, automatically e-commerce status was changed to delivered.